Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Square application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Square application on your device. And once it is opened up, you will be taken into the home page from which you have the option to create a new account or sign in. Just tap on the sign in button and you will be asked to log into your account. Now you can either log in and then change your password from within your account settings, or you can also do this directly without logging in. Just type in your email address that is associated with your account and then click on the next button. You can also use your device code if you wish to do so. Then once the password box appears, click on Forgot Password and you will be asked to enter your email address once again. Once you type in your email address, click on the Send Instructions button, and as soon as you click on this button, you will receive an email within your original email address that you used to sign up. Just check your inbox and you will need to click on the link within, which will redirect you directly into your password reset page. Just type in your desired new password and then click on the reset button and your password will immediately be changed. And from this point, you can use your new password to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the Square application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.